Have you ever wanted to see what a street looks like, whether it's in your own neighborhood or on the other side of the world? In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Maps Street View to explore almost any location. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. Once you're in, search for any location you want to explore. This could be a restaurant you're planning to visit, your home area, or even a famous city like New York or Paris. The great thing is, it works for almost anywhere. Now zoom into the map until you can clearly see the individual streets. On a computer, there's a dedicated Street View button on the side. But on the mobile app, it's a little different. To activate Street View, simply press and hold on a street until a red pin drops. When the pin appears, look in the bottom left corner for a small photo thumbnail. Tap on that thumbnail. And just like that, you're inside Street View. From here, you can look around by swiping on the screen or tap the arrows on the road to walk down the street and see it from different angles. It's a really fun way to get a feel for the area before visiting. One quick note. Not every road is available in Street View, especially in rural or remote places. But in most cities and towns, you'll find coverage for almost every street. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this one.